Let's now look at the conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. So let's take a number which is in hexadecimal. I'll take the number 1 ABC whose base is 16, so which has to be converted into a decimal number. So the process remains the same. So first we'll take this 6C. This will be multiplied with the powers 16 power 0. So next is B into 16 power 1 plus A into 16 square plus 1 into 16 cube. So if you look at the hexadecimal code, so C is nothing but 12. So this will be 12 into 1. So this is B is 11. So this is 11 into 16 plus A is 10. So 10 into 256 plus 1 into 4096. So when you sum all these things, it comes up to, the sum comes up to 6844. So the unit is 10. So it will be 6844 to the base 10. Next we'll look at hexadecimal to binary. I'll take the number 48D which is there in hexadecimal, which has to be converted into binary. So as we know, F is represented as 4 ones in binary, 8 will be represented as 1 followed by 3 zeros, and D will be represented as 1101. So this is nothing but the result of converting hexadecimal to binary, that is 4 ones, 10000, 1101. The next conversion is from hexadecimal to octal. So I'll take the number E45 which is in hexadecimal. So this has to be converted into the octal form. So there is no direct conversion from the hexadecimal to octal. So the process is we need to convert from hexadecimal to binary, and then from binary to we need to convert it to octal. So when we convert from hexadecimal to binary, each of the hexadecimal digits will be represented as 4 bits. So that means first process is hexadecimal to binary. So E45 in binary is nothing but 1110, that is for E. 4 is nothing but 0100, and 5 is 0101. So the next thing is, so we have got the number in binary. So we need to convert from binary to the octal. So here we need to group the bits in terms of 3 numbers because it's an octal system. So we have to start from the rightmost side. So I'll start grouping it in terms of 3. So then if we start labeling this, so this will be 5, this is 0, this is 1, 7. So 7105 is the octal equivalent of the number E45 which is in hexadecimal.